Let us start with the where clause. So let me put here. So the where clause is used to filter the records. Filter the records. So if you give a specific condition, according to that condition, the data is filtered. So let me show you how the syntax of this where clause works. Syntax. So you are selecting few columns, for example, column 1, column 2, and so on, and then select columns from the table name, which table you are going to select. So after selecting the columns from the tables, there, like here we are putting a where clause. So first we'll get select, then from, then where, and I am passing on the condition. So you will get the data filtered according to the condition. If the condition is the specific condition is satisfied, then you get the records according to this condition. So let me put this. Yeah, so this is the syntax for your where clause. So where clause is not only used in the select, so it is not only used in the select, it can also be used in the update and delete. So if you want to update something, we can use a where clause where you put a condition where this condition satisfies, then you can update the records. Similarly, you can use update in the delete also. So let me write the note here. Note here. The where clause is not only used in select statement, it is also used in update and delete. We will be seeing that in detail, but for now let us see where clause using a select commands. Let me show you one hands-on here. So for that, let me use select star from the customer table. Yeah, now I got a customer table here. Customer table. Now I want to see like here I have so many cities here. You can see so many cities. I want, you have cities, you have country, anything, you can take any column. So let us talk about the country. So I want to see the customers. I want to see the customers whose country is only USA. Only USA. I am filtering the data. I have a huge amount of data here. I want only the customers who belongs to country USA. So how will I start? So I will start with select, and then what you want, how many columns do you want to select. Suppose if you want to select 4 5 columns, you put all the column names here, or if you want to show all the columns, then you can put a star here. Okay, or you can put one column, like few columns, name the column names, select column names, or if you want to put all columns, then put a star from your table name. So what is your table name? So table name is a customers table. So let me drag and drop the customers table here. Now I'm using where clause where your country. So this country should be your column name. So you can see now your the cursor goes to your country column name here. That is equal to the value called USA. So USA. So that is written in a single quotes. Let me select all this, or you can click on this or execute it. So now you have execute, and now let me scroll down, and you can see now you cannot see any other records than USA. So these are all the customers, those who are coming from USA. So this is how the usage of where clause is in a very simple way. I hope you have enjoyed this session, guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.